Hello, little ones. How are you all? Today we're gonna learn about English for today, class 1, and it's an English version. So let's start it. So first, we're in the first page. So in here, it's saying Lesson 1. Good morning 1. Unit 1. And number A, it's saying, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Who are they? Yeah, there are some students and a teacher. Now in number B, it's saying B. Listen and repeat in chorus, then in small groups and individually. Good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine, thank you. Can you sing that song? Great! So now it's saying C. Look, listen, and repeat. Look, listen, and repeat. Look, listen, and repeat. So this teacher is saying to the students, good morning. Yeah, this teacher is saying to the students, good morning. And then the children are replying, good morning. Yeah, they're replying to the teacher, good morning. Yay. And here, number D is saying say in pairs. Okay, so let's say in pairs. This teacher is saying, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning. Then the students are replying, good morning, good morning. Yeah, then they're replying that. In E, it's saying say in pairs. And here, this girl is saying, good morning, and this boy is saying, good morning. But in here, it's saying, good morning. Do you think we should add this song in here so they'll say together? Great, let's sing it. Good morning, how are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine, thank you. Yay, we did it in here. In here, it's saying, lesson 2. Good morning, 2. Yes. In number 8, it's saying, look, listen, and say. Look, listen, and say. So this teacher is saying, good morning, students, to the students. And then the students are saying, good morning, teacher. Yeah, good morning, teacher. And then in number B, it's saying, look, listen, and say again. So the teacher is saying another sentence. Not good morning, not just good morning. The teacher is saying, good morning, Tilly. Yeah, the teacher is saying, good morning, Tilly. Then Tilly is replying, good morning, teacher. Yeah, so Tilly is replying, good morning, teacher. Now in here, the teacher is saying, good morning, Rafi. Then Rafi is replying, good morning, teacher. Yeah, good morning, teacher again. So in here, it's saying, say in pairs. Yeah, say in pairs. So this girl's name is Monica. And this boy's name is Kaiser. So Monica is saying, good morning, Kaiser. And then Kaiser is replying, good morning, Monica. Yeah, good morning, Monica. In here, then it's saying, Arena and Mala. This girl's name is Arena and this girl's name is Mala. So Arena is saying, good morning, Mala. And then Mala is saying, good morning, Arena. Good morning, Arena. Good morning, Arena. So in lesson 3, it's saying, how are you 1. Hooray! We're in lesson 3. Lesson 3. We're not in lesson 1 anymore. Now we're in lesson 3. Okay? So it's saying here A. Listen and say. Work in pairs. Yeah. Work in pairs. Right, we're gonna work in pairs. So this girl's name is Sheila and this boy's name is Raju. So Sheila is saying, hello Raju. Yeah. And Raju is replying, hello Sheila. Yeah. Hello Sheila. Hello Sheila. Now in number B it's saying, listen and say. Listen and say. Work in pairs. Yeah. So this little girl is saying, how are you, Alam? Yeah, how are you, Alam? Then Alam is replying, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Then this little girl is replying, fine, thanks. Like, I'm fine, thank you. Yeah. And C number, it's saying, look, listen, repeat, and say. Yeah, look, listen, repeat, and say. Oh, it's too big. Yeah. So this teacher is saying, hello, Shihab. How are you? And then Shihab is replying, I'm fine, thank you. How are you, teacher? Then the teacher is replying, I'm fine, thanks. Yeah, the teacher is replying to Shihab, I'm fine, thanks. Now in this one, it's a big picture and it must be so excited. I'm so excited. It must be exciting. So this girl's name is Sarah and this boy's name is Shakib. So let's read. So Sarah is saying, hello Shakib, and then Shakib is saying, hello Sarah. Then Sarah is questioning, how are you? And Shakib is replying, I'm fine, thank you. And you? And then Sarah is replying, fine, thanks, like she's fine, thank you. Now in here, it's lesson 4. How are you? 2. Yeah, how are you too? Unit 1. Number A is saying, look, listen, and say. Look, listen, and say. So this teacher is saying, hello Rita, how are you? Yeah, how are you? And then this little girl is saying, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Then teacher is saying, I'm fine too, thanks. Yeah, thanks. It's nice to be polite. In number B, it's saying, listen and say the missing words. Oh no, guys, we have to find the missing words. What do we do? Let's find it. We can do it. Yeah, we can do it together. Good morning, teacher. Now what will be in here? We need to find the missing words. We need to help them. Yeah, in here it will be, good morning, teacher. How are you? Great! We found the missing words number 1. Now it's time to go to number 2. I am fine. Think. What it will be next? Yeah, it will be you. Thank you. And you? Yeah, the teacher is very happy because we helped her. Yeah, we helped her. Now it's time for the boy's turn. The third one. Now the boy should reply, but what should he reply? Let's help him. I'm fine too. Now it will be, thank you. Yeah, it's polite and nice to be thank you. It's nice to say thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Number C, it's also saying, say the missing words. In the dialogue between Shihab and Rita. Oh no! Now we have to find the missing words from Shihab and Rita. let's help them. So Rita is saying, hello Shihab, how are you? Yeah, how are you? How are you? Yeah, how are you? So now this boy is saying Shihab. So his name is Shihab. So Shihab is saying, I am fine, thank you. And you? Yeah, I am fine, thank you. And you, we did it. And number here, the Rita is saying, I'm fine too, thanks. I'm fine too. Yeah, I'm fine too, thanks. Now it's lesson 5. Goodbye. Yeah, it's goodbye. It's like goodbye, goodbye. Now in the goodbye, it's saying in number A, look, listen and say. Look, listen and say. Yeah, look, listen and say. So teacher is saying, goodbye students, it's time to go. Like it's time to go home or something you want to go. So then the students are replying to the teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Yeah, can you do that? Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Yeah, goodbye, teacher. Now we're in the next one. Say in pairs. So this teacher is saying, goodbye, Runa. Then Runa is replying, goodbye, teacher. And then the teacher is saying, goodbye, Ratan. And then Ratan is replying, goodbye, teacher. Yeah, goodbye, teacher. And here is saying see. Say in pairs. So this little girl's name is Tama. So Tama is saying, goodbye, teacher. Yeah, goodbye, teacher. Then the teacher is replying, goodbye, Tama. Yeah, goodbye, Tama. In number D, it's saying, Robi and Ranu. Means this little girl's name is Ranu and this little boy's name is Robi. So Robi is saying, bye, Ranu. And then Ranu is replying, bye, Robi. Or bye-bye, Robi. Yeah, bye-bye, Robi. Bye-bye, Robi. Bye-bye, Robi. Yes, bye-bye, Robi. Hooray! I'm very excited now because it's rhyme time. I like rhyme times, so it's singing rhyme time. I like to sing too. So let's sing in this rhyme. It's lesson 6. The name of this lesson is Two Little Blackbirds. Yeah, two little blackbirds. Two little blackbirds. I'm excited to sing this rhyme. So in number A, it's saying, what do you see in the two pictures? Listen and repeat in chorus with appropriate gestures. Appropriate gestures. So the name of this is Two Little Blackbirds. So let's sing it. We'll count to 1, 2, 3, and we'll sing together. Yeah, we'll sing together. 1, 2, and 3. Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Goodbye, Peter, goodbye, Paul. Yay, we did it! We sang that. Now in here it's saying B. Repeat after your teacher in pairs. Well, you can do it in school time. And here, teacher, you can say your teacher that to sing this. Like your teacher will say the two little blackbirds, the two line on the first. Then you sing the two line on the first. Then the teacher will sing the next two line. Then all children will sing the next two line. What say the teacher? Yeah, you can do it at school. It's still two little blackbirds, but I'm very excited because it's the last page. But don't worry, I'll meet in another video. So, in lesson 6, it's still two little blackbirds. In C, it's saying chain drill. Recite in groups. Well, now I see that it's a game. You can play it at school with your friends. If you have friends, then you can play this. You stand on the first side, then the second side, then the third friend, and the fourth friend. Yeah, there will be three friends and you. So, first, you need to say the rhyme. The two little blackbirds rhyme. You have to sing the first line. The one friend have to sing the other line. The third friend have to sing the other line, and the fourth friend have to sing the last line. Yeah, or the last section you found. Yeah. So now we're gonna do this one. Listen and respond. You can do it with your friend too. Like you're the teacher and Esmond is your friend. So you can say, good morning. Then your friend will say, good morning. It's like a reply. So then someone will say, how are you? Then you say, I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Then the one who said, how are you? will say, fine. Thanks. Like she's fine. Yeah. And if you have some friends, then you can do this one too. Like if school is done or finished, then you can say to your friend, goodbye Mahi, or the name of your friend. Then Mahi will say, goodbye Lana, or the name of your name. Yeah, you can do it with any name. So now we have finished the unit 1. In the next video, we're gonna do unit 2, and it's gonna be so much fun too, like we did in this unit. So, bye bye friends! See you in the next